How to send money with Remit Choice. Here's what you have to do. Once you are taken to the Remit Choice website, you will choose where you will be sending the money from. I'm just going to do Canada here, and the destination country, which country you will be sending money to. I'll just leave it to Austria. Then you want to click on proceed. And once you click on proceed, it's going to ask us for the amount of money which we will be transferring. So here for the payout partner, if you click on it, it is going to show you all the available payout partners. I'm just going to leave it as bank. And here's where we type the amount of money which we will be sending. So for example, let's do 15 Canadian dollars, and this is going to automatically convert it to that country, to your destination country's currency. And here it's going to show you the fee as well, and how much they will how much is going to be taken out of your account. You want to click on send now after you have typed the amount, and you will just log in with your account here. If you don't have one, you will need to click on sign up now. It's going to ask you what type of account you will be creating. So right here you have the option of personal, business account, and then it's going to ask you for the email address, your country, so make sure you select the same country which you will be sending from, first name, last name, phone number, receiving country, preferred receiving country. So if you keep on sending to the same country, you can type it out here. Also the password, confirm password, and referral code, and you will just click on register. Afterwards, you will type or select your payment method. So you can use card or you can use your bank account, go through the prompts, and that is how you send money with Remit Choice. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.